Hagajingi baki pajba ka Jylla ki lazang man ki wen halor ka jingtieng ba yo kami ka Kyrwoh petrol diesel hadian baga North East Petroleum Mazdur Union kala pen bana bakan sange pen poi petrol na ka IOCL BPCL but HPCL shaka Jylla Meghalaya ka tanadu karp khandai tarik nai weng arajar arpulai namar ka jingsha pentot le ton bor bar ka jingsha kem kinongnya kali kit Umphniang hasilin ter jong ka surok ba National Highway 6 ka sarkar Jylla kala pen tikna baga Jingdon ko Umphniang Biang bat kadang la man pendap kata Haduh ar lai Sngi maremi ke jingpin mena jong Mazdur Union haga step jong kar praterik nai weng ki pajba nong sosno ke Jylla ki lay tur ban lech ki peterpam bat man pendap petrol Jylla ki jong ki kali namar ke jing septieng yo le se kalap non ra ke jing jinjar hakali kawan haki Sngi ki banwan haba kran chikilat patai khobor ka arpu praterik nai weng arajar apulai Myntri ketanat Food Civil Supply and Consumer Affairs ka Jylla uba coming one umbon Ula Pyntip shiki pajba bakim de ban septieng nama Jingdon jangka petrol haga Jylla kadang long ke Biang kata Haduh ar lai Sngi badu ngej scam bak sarkar kala man pinbet no iki kenrum kenram bat ke union haga jing yelang ke ban long lasai ke Sngi haga por khat ar beje no phai Sngi ha circuit house hanong po.
Yesterday I got a letter around by evening, I think. I got one letter from them through WhatsApp only. Till today I didn't get this official letter from them. I spoke with my officer, Commissioner Secretary, to coordinate with them. I asked Commissioner Secretary to call them. We'll have discussion here in Shillong. But these people, this Mazdur Union, they don't want to come to Shillong. After I asked him to kindly call them maybe in Nagpur. They agreed to come to Nagpur. Tomorrow they will have the meeting around 12 o'clock in Nagpur. We call all the district administration from Kyrwoh and from these castles also to discuss regarding this. Hopefully they will solve this problem after the meeting. No need to panic. I request all the people of the state no need to panic because as of now, these petrol retailers, they have to stop. Till today they will have the load. I don't think there will be a problem regarding this.
Do we have sufficient stock?
Yes, we have sufficient stock as of now. For 2-3 days, no problem. In case they have shortage of the stock, then we'll ask the Deputy Commissioner to restrict for that. As of now, we cannot say anything regarding that. Because as of now, we have the stock. Fully we have the stock. Then tomorrow they will have the meeting in Kyrwoh, in Circuit House by 12 o'clock. I would think they will solve all this problem.